Wind farms today are monitored extensively, but when something goes wrong, understanding what actually happened and what to do next remains a challenge. What you're seeing here is GENEXIX, an AI-powered digital twin framework, not just for monitoring, but for transforming wind assets into decision intelligence systems where you can literally ask what's going on or prepare a debrief for the management meeting or even commercial feasibility report using GENEXIX Copilot. In this example, we're looking at Windpark Riedelberg II, with 4 Enercon E-82 turbines, connected through a substation into the 33 kV grid. Each turbine, subsystem, and interface is fully mapped into a structured digital twin. GENEXIX starts by leveraging existing engineering documentation, including OEM manuals and validation data, to build a structured understanding of the system and its operational boundaries. This is critical, because instead of treating data as isolated signals, GENEXIX understands how the system actually works, from drivetrain behavior to grid interaction. The wind park is then represented as a full system, from wind input to turbine output to substation export. This allows GENEXIX to evaluate not just component performance, but the behavior of the entire plant. At the core of GENEXIX is the golden reference. This is the validated baseline, built from FAT data, OEM specifications, and documented limits. Every parameter in operation is continuously compared against this reference. Once the system moves into operational mode, real-time data from SCADA and sensors is ingested continuously, creating a live, dynamic representation of the wind park. Here, operators see the current state of the plant, health, deviations, and system-wide performance. But more importantly, they see what matters. When a deviation occurs, GENEXIX does not simply trigger an alarm. It identifies the deviation against the golden reference, quantifies its severity, and contextualizes it within the system. It then goes further, tracing the root cause across components, linking sensor behavior to subsystem interactions, and identifying the underlying issue, not just the symptom. Every insight is fully grounded, linked directly to OEM documentation, validated test data, and engineering specifications, with complete traceability. This enables a shift from reactive monitoring to proactive decision-making. Operators don't just see what's wrong, they understand why it's happening and what to do next. Whether it's preventing a turbine trip, optimizing maintenance timing, or protecting overall plant performance, GENEXIX turns data into actionable intelligence. From alarms, to understanding, to decisions, GENEXIX, the digital twin intelligence layer for modern energy systems.